Yo, what's up? This is Leonard representing Underone, Bennett Brothers and De La Cream. Okay, so the question is, what is freestyle mean to me? So, in my approach, freestyle is two ways. One is free of style, which is the hardest way of expressing yourself. It's cause that you are being very free, at the same time you don't know what is coming for you. So I think that is the hardest way and the best way and the truest way to express yourself. Secondly is just freestyle. So it's we are just dancing with what we know and what we are capable of. So and that is what the approach of most people do. So I feel that freestyle is important is because it gives me a step forward each time I free myself. Alright? Peace out.